This is a Zeiss ikon sk6 sperwell, multi-pick 0.8 millimeters, Reaper set number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3. All right. So I just dropped something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 1. There's 2. There's 3. And there's 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. And here we are messing it up already. Come on now. 1. Okay, so something. Okay, so let's see. I'm having a hard time getting on these damn things. Can't even feel number 4. Oh man. I just slipped off of everything. But the problem is, there we go. So I kind of got lucky there. I had to overset it, let off, and then when it dropped I had to pull number 1 back towards me and it opened. But that's the ikon sperwell, the unranked version. It has 3 spools, 3 standards, and 4 side pins, and I was just taking my number 5 and I was pushing the back 2 away from me and pulling the front 2 towards me, and then I just kind of slid the Cobra Instruments tubular lockpick under there to lift them all at the same time because they're all set to the same height.